Hey everybody, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. So Swedish Death Cleaning. Declutter like you mean it and maybe scare your kids a little. So let's be honest. Swedish Death Cleaning sounds like something involving Vikings, swords, and dramatic soundtrack. But this isn't about going out in a blaze of glory. Derstädning, yes, it's a real word, is a uniquely Swedish approach to decluttering that's less about death and more about giving your loved ones fewer reasons to curse you when you're gone. So what is Swedish death cleaning? Think of it as Marie Kondo with a Scandinavian twist and maybe a bit more sass. It's about going through your stuff now so your family doesn't have to later. You get to decide what stays, what goes, and what you wouldn't want anyone finding in your drawers when you're not around to explain. Why bother? Save your family the drama. No one wants their kids fighting over grandma's chipped teacup collection. Spare them the soap opera. Rediscover your floors. Who knew you had hardwood under all that sentimental clutter? Pass down the good stuff. Gift your heirlooms now and bask in the glory of being the cool grandma or the awesome uncle while you're still alive. How to dive in without dying inside. Start small. Hit the sock drawer. Nobody cries over mismatched socks. Play detective. If you can't remember why you have something, it's probably time for it to go. Embrace the awkward. Have the talk with your family about what you're keeping and why. Bonus points if you can make them cringe a little. Pro tip, find joy in guilt-free tossing. That weird kitchen gadget you've never used, donate it. The sweater Aunt Mabel knitted that itches like a cactus, ooh, gone. It's your life. Don't let your stuff boss you around. Swedish death cleaning isn't about being morbid. It's about living lighter, laughing at the past mistakes. Hello, bedazzler, and making room for the good stuff. Plus, it's way more fun to surprise your loved ones with meaningful gifts now than to let them discover that box of old love letters later. Happy cleaning. May the odds and your sense of humor be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching.